Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. And for the folks out there who are selling on Amazon, you might be wondering, can I sell used items only, or can I sell new? Or maybe I can only sell new and not used. What's the deal when it comes to selling on Amazon? We all know Amazon's got a lot more rules than eBay, right? eBay's kind of like the wild, wild west in a sense. There are rules, but you can get away with a lot more stuff. On Amazon, you do have to be careful. And I was going through my comments and I just got a comment in a few minutes ago. You might be able to see it right here from Frenchie 3 days ago. And Frenchie is coming out with a pretty strong statement, and I'll read it. Frenchie says, "You can't sell used on FBA. Only new. Why is nobody talking about this?" So Frenchie came out of the bat, confident as a mofo, ready to tell everybody what the deal is on Amazon. And I would like to say right now, Frenchie, unfortunately, based on your picture, you look like a great person, but you're wrong. You are wrong. You can sell new and you can sell used on Amazon FBA. Here's the thing. When it comes to selling on Amazon FBA, there's certain standards that you have to adhere by. So when you sell something as new, it actually has to be 100% new. On eBay, you can sell something that's got a little damage, even though it's brand new and it's never been opened. It might have some box damage or a little wear and tear. You could sell it as new, but you typically want to say, sell it as new it's like new other, right? And you give details. On Amazon, new has got to be brand spanking new. If there's like a little piece of tape that's supposed to be on it, like with Legos to mark it as new, or, how do they say it? It's got to be as if it's on the shelf. It's got to be 100% new. You can't sell it as new, technically, if it's not 100% new. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm being a little confusing. But to make a long story short, you could sell new and you could sell used on Amazon FBA, but there's certain rules in terms of various products. Some products, you'll scan an item with your Amazon Seller app or Scout IQ, and it'll say you could only sell it as used or used. You can only sell it as new, or you can only sell it as used, right? Used is a new thing. That's in between new and used. But in all seriousness, there's going to be different rules that you have to follow. But overall, you can sell used items and you can sell new, but it's going to differ based upon with certain brands or certain products or certain categories. And you're just going to want to make sure that you take a look at the app, because sometimes it'll restrict you from new, sometimes it'll restrict you from used, but you can absolutely sell new and used. Just pay attention when you are scanning. So a lot of people ask this question, can I sell new? Can I sell used? What's the deal with Amazon? Hopefully that answers the question. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.